Hunhui Kulao International Trade Company Limited is our export company. Hefei Autopipe Auto Parts Company Limited is our factory. The parent company, established in 2008, covers an area up to 30,000 square meters. Located in Hefei Economic Development Zone, Anhui Province. Autopipe is a high-tech enterprise with advanced equipment, strong R&D ability. Autopipe specializes in motor intake, cooling, and exhaust system. Our racing parts involving intake pipe, intercore pipe kits, catback system, exhaust pipe, exhaust turbo manifold, exhaust header, downpipe, and mandrel bends with different OD and CLR. Autopipe invested 38 CNC bending machines, 3D laser cutting machine, Mitsubishi laser cutting machine, special shape 3D laser cutter, OTC robot arms, 3D scanner and printer. More than 100 sets of other equipment, such as pipe forming, press, and shearing machine. Autopipe has strong capacity to make 160 mm of OD. Small CL or even or equals OD0. 75D mandrel bend. Our quality racing parts of titanium alloy, stainless, aluminium exported to more than 100 countries overseas. And one great reputation for good after-sales service. Strict quality control and super R&D. Our endless pursuit is to produce perfect racing parts for our customers.